Hey guys, hi, how are you? This is Tony Tabona from the Alpha Signals with yet another exciting video on how to trade our VIP signals. Now we call them VIP signals because they are VIP. Our signals guarantee an 80% win rate, which is awesome. And this has been a consistent win rate for over 1 year right now. And I'm going to be showing you why we're able to achieve such win rates. I'm not just talking of, things that are impossible. You could see these are my trades for today. You could see, a lot of even the history. I can just show you my history. You could just see how I'm able to achieve such trading success using the strategy, using our indicator strategy, which guarantees high win rate. So I'm going to just show you how this works. So when I started, I said VIP signals because we have signals that we send to our groups. These signals are sent for free, and then once you get to use the signals, you are able to now trade them. And so when you look at the list, like this is today's list of signals, we now have this last four. So this whole list is sent in advance. You could see that today, which is the OTC market, there's 40 signals that were sent, and that's the list. If you went to yesterday, you could see that there were 61 signals that were sent, So that's how awesome things are. And even if you came to our results, I can just go up again. This is our chat history in the group. You could see our results displayed just about here for yesterday. So yesterday we achieved 88% win rate. So I'm just going to get into the signals just to show you this last four, how to execute them. So as it is, we have a put with USD, Euro USD. There was one at 125 and one at 925, sorry, and 930. I don't know where I'm getting one from. So let's just see what's happening. So basically 925 started from here. I did not take it, and I'm going to explain why I did not take it. Now we are currently running into 930. Remember, there's two of them. There was the first one, which is this one, and then the second one. I want to explain to you something that is very important for you to understand about our signals. Normally, when you find a signal that runs one after another like this, chances are the first one will lose, and then that's the second one that's going to win. And excuse me, in trading our signals, I want you to realize something. It's very important that you don't always just enter the trade because the signal says at this time is the time of the trade. And I'm going to explain why I say this. Our signals are based on a probability of winning it either the first time, the second time, or the third time. So in other words, what I mean is this. Let me just bring out my pen, my arrows rather. So this signal of USD, Euro USD will either win at 925 or at 930 or 935. One of these three entries is going to give me a win. So it's a matter of finding out which of the three is the correct one. So far, we see that this entry started here. It went up, and then because it's a put, it closed in this position, so it did not win. Now we are having the second one running, which started from here. And then we can see it starting also from the same position. And we need to know whether it's going to win or not. So that's what we need to spend time doing in this group, analyzing the market to find out rather which one is going to win. And this is how I'm going to help you. So what you do is, because it's the OTC market and we don't have the alpha zone indicator working, which only works on the MT4, which only works during the weekly market, we need to now draw our own horizontal line that represents the alpha zones indicator. Excuse me. And that's exactly what I'm going to do right now. So I'm going to put a blue line there to represent the blue zone, and I'm going to explain to you what is the blue zone. And I'm going to put another line just about here. And what I'm doing is I'm basically marking all the times the market reversed. And this has to be two areas. Sorry for the internet. This needs to be two areas. At the end of body as well as at the end of any pin. All right. So as it is, the market reversed here, and reversed at that pin, which is this 2. So those are my lower reversals, right? And then I'm going to do the same thing with my upper reversal areas. Let me just put just probably one more here, because there was a reversal slightly. See, the market went up, then there and down. So I think I'm quite happy with these 3 or 4. Yes, then I'm going to do the same thing now on the opposite side, which is on the red zone. So I'm going to put reversal right here. I'm going to put, sorry for this, I don't know why suddenly this internet is just being funny. Okay, there we go. I'm going to put another red there. I'm going to duplicate that and just put another red just about here. Okay, all right. So I'm quite happy with just these few points. So it's a matter of now just seeing this current entry of 930, which one is going to be the best one for me to take a put signal. So as it is right now, I didn't take it on both times. I didn't take it at 925. I didn't take it at 930. Why? Because both times are in the blue zone. So now let me explain what the zones are. So basically we've got 2 zones. We have this zone here that I'm going to make blue. This is your blue zone area, which is called the blue zone or BZ. Okay. And then you also have the other side, which I'm going to make red, and that is the red zone, and I'm going to call it RZ. Alright, so that's your red zone and that's your blue zone. So basically this is what happens in trading. We are trading a strategy called the reversal strategy, and the way it works is this. Whenever the market is in the blue zone, it's most likely to go up. Like here it's in the blue zone, it goes up. Here it's in the blue zone, you could see that it's going up. So you avoid taking trades for a put when the market is in the blue zone. Then on the contrary, when the market is in the red zone, it's most likely to go down. Look at it, it's in the red zone here, it's going down. Red zone here, it's going down. So this is basically what you need to be aware of every time you trade our signals. Whether on the weekend, draw these lines, or during the week, use the alpha zones indicator. It will have the same lines that you see at the bottom and at the top. So what I like about this market, I just like this pattern. I like a market that comes down and goes up and comes down and goes, you know, this is quite a good trend. It's a very, very good trend, because it means every time it comes to a certain area, it will reverse at those zones, all right, or at those areas, which makes it a perfect solution for a reversal strategy. So I'm going to go ahead and just take my put right here. I'm taking the put. Why am I taking it in that position? Because that is the last reversal based on what you see here. See, the market came, let me just go back a bit. So there we go. Market came down, tried to go up, stopped at that position, went down. So that's a reversal. Down, 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 came again, same thing. Hit not the higher part, but this time here, went down, tried to go up again, hit the same area, went down, went up again, hit the same area, went down. So that is a nice red zone area for me. It's a very, very good red zone, and I'm happy over the signal or the entry. Why? Because it's in the red zone and it's a put. Not only that, but I'm also basing it on what I said earlier. Remember what I said earlier, that our signals are based on either first or second or third entry, meaning that 80% of the time one of these 3 entries is going to be the right one. So the first one did not win, the second one did not win, but at the third time market is finally at that nice reversal area, and that increases my chance of winning it, not only over the fact that it's at the third time, but over the fact that also it's in the right reversal area. So I've got 2 things on my side that should help me win this trade. It's as simple as that. Just trade according to the rules. Guys, even if you've done your best and the signal loses, at least you know that you did your best to try and win the signal. So by applying the golden rules that I'm explaining through our signals, you'll realize that you are increasing your chances of winning a trade. If it loses, it will lose, but at least you know that you tried your best to make sure that you win it. When you look at my history, like I said, I lost the signal. I tried my best, it didn't win, and then I took it again. This time, that's when it won, and then you'll just see the same pattern throughout. It's all about increasing your chances by applying the rules, the golden rules, as I like to call them, of the alpha zones indicator, which basically increases your chance of winning a trade. I've just simplified it for you in a manner that, if you just follow these rules, it's almost impossible, for you to be a loser at the end of your trades. All you have to do, the main thing, is just to be patient. Be patient. Don't be in a rush to take your entries. Look only for the best entries that offer the best alpha zones conditions, which we call the golden rules. If a trade does not meet any golden rules, when you look at our results, you'll realize that they say first entry, second entry, first entry, first martingale, second martingale win. It doesn't mean that you have to enter all of them for you to finally win. When you look at our results, as I'm saying, you'll notice the pattern or the trend. Let me just go up to our results quickly just to show you something that is dangerous for you to martingale with this kind of strategy. Why? Because if you get a losing trade like this one, like let's say this one or any of these red ones, basically what it means is that you lost the first time. Because you are martingaling, you're gonna put double the amount, you lose that, and then you martingale again, then you lose that as well. You've lost a lot of money. So you don't have to martingale with our signals. If you only wait for the best entries, then you avoid martingaling completely, because you're only entering the trade at the best option, at the best position. And that's exactly what I did. I could have martingaled this signal here. I could have martingaled here again, but I didn't, because at here the rules were not met. So I can't take a put here when I can see it's in the blue zone. I didn't take it here as well. Why? It's still on the blue zone. But now at the third entry, it becomes my first entry into the signal. And as you can see, it becomes a nice, clean ITM that, is actually winning and it's running in the money. So guys, with that being said, thank you so much. I hope that you've understood. I don't want to make this video more complicated or too long. Everything was simplified for you to understand. And if you need to know more, please join our Telegram group. We offer high win rate signals. As I said, you'll join and you'll be able to experience what I'm talking about right now. So with that being said, guys, thank you so much. I hope that you've learned something from this video, and then I wish you all the best. These are my 9 ITMs for today. All of them. You could see how great I've had a day of trading. It's nothing complicated, nothing magical. It's just straightforward trading, straight old plain trading, where you analyze the market, and that's it. So thank you so much, guys. I hope that this video is going to help you. Please subscribe to this channel so that you could see more of this kind of trading, so that you too can also trade and make money just like I am. All right, it's very, very possible. It's very easy. Just stick to the golden rules and you'll be a successful trader. Thank you so much. Subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Telegram. The link is below on the description of this video. And also get free signals like this. The indicator is also for free in our group. You can get it for free and trade exactly the way I'm trading. Thank you so much. See you on the next video.